You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can laugh, crack jokes, be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a wig review for Unice Hair. They sent over a beautiful robe, but I already have one, so I didn't want to take this one out the package. I'm gonna save it for later. And then of course a lot of wig essential goodies. So this is the wig that we're trying on today. This is a curly V PArt wig. So it's just in a V shape. I'm showing you guys the construction. You get 2 clips on both sides of the V. You get a clip in the back, and these are like the snappy kind. And then you get 2 comb in type of clip, and then a comb in clip at the back. And it also has adjustable straps, so you will be secure. I'm just showing you guys my little braid down pattern. The rest of my braids are a little messy, but as long as my little anchor braids in the front are nice and tight, that's all that matters. So right now I am just hooking the clips onto my anchor braids. So I have 2 anchor braids on the side, and then I have 2 braids in the middle, which I am going to unbraid. Originally I was going to do the crochet method, but I don't know, I'm not coordinated enough. I attempted to do it but it didn't work out, so I decided that I was just gonna have some leave out, and I was gonna blend my leave out with the curly hair. So I'm just taking down my leave out, and my hair was already like blow dried straight, so this was great so that whenever I wet my hair, it can kind of have loose curls with this, so they won't be like super tight. Well, my hair is already a little looser in the front anyway, so I'm just spraying it with water to activate the curls in my hair, and then also the curls on the wig. So I'm pretty much spraying my hair and the wig all over. I'm saturating the hair so that all of the curls can pop, and then we can get to blending. I'm using my detangling comb to comb through the curly hair and my hair as well. Okay, now we're going to get some mousse. Mousse for me really makes my hair like defined, and I want my texture to match the curl texture, so I'm putting mousse on my curls and on the curls on the wig. This is just going to make it so that the curls are in place and they don't go anywhere. So after I add my mousse, I am going to just kind of frame my face a little bit in the front. Now I'm going to add a little bit of gel to my leave out and to my edges. This is going to help my curls to pop even more. Now I'm just going to clip the hair out of the way. So I'm adding multiple clips because I'm kind of stretching my leave out so that it doesn't frizz up at the roots. So I'm using those little clips to kind of pull my hair down and stretch that little part, because I am going to blow dry it in a minute and I don't want my hair to frizz up. I want it to be nice and intact in place. So I'm using my blow dryer on medium heat and medium blow. Medium intensity. Is not like it's not blowing on my hair super hard because I don't want to mess up the curl pattern or anything. And I'm just doing that until the hair is completely all the way dry all over. Okay, now I'm just taking the clips out since my hair was probably about 85% dry, and then I'm going to dry it some more with the blow dryer to make sure it is completely dry all over. Okay, now I'm just separating the curls all over. I'm adding a little bit of my frizz blaster, and I'm just going to put that on my fingers, and then I'm also going to blend my hair with the curls, and I'm doing that by twisting my hair in with the curls on the wig so that it can be like a seamless transition and my little short pieces of my hair won't be sticking out. Now I'm just going to use my edge control to swoop my edges. Okay, you guys, this is the completed look. I think I did a really good job at blending my hair with the curly hair. Oh yeah, final touches, add a little bit of oil sheen to my leave out so that the sheen can match with the curly hair. So yeah, this is the completed look. The curl pattern on this V PArt wig is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, the curls start from the top and go all the way to the bottom. This is 24-inch hair and it is 150 density. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this wig, or if you haven't heard of Unice, you should definitely check them out because they have a ton of really cute wigs. I will have all the links and everything down below. As always, I love you guys and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't stop on the trip.